Welcome to 109 Wood Court. This neatly updated 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath townhome with laminate hardwood floors and an updated kitchen with granite countertops inside is located in the St. Andrews Woods neighborhood in the St. Andrews area of Northwest Columbia, convenient to I-20 and I-26, just a few minutes from Gary Dining and Shopping in Harbison, and a quick commute to downtown Columbia. So we're approaching the front entrance now. You can see you have a covered entryway here. And as we step inside, you'll notice the beautiful laminate hardwood flooring that's been installed throughout the home. So right off the entry here, you have sort of a hallway leading to the kitchen. There is a coat closet here, or just actually it's a storage closet, no actual hanging rod in there, to the immediate right. And then you have your stairs going up to the second level, which we'll take a look at in just a second or two. But here off the, sort of on the other side of the entry, you have an open floor plan at living and dining room. So you can see the living room here. See those floors continue. You have a ceiling fan. It's all open down to the dining room on the other end. You have two sliding glass doors that lead you out to enclosed patio. You can see a patio here, a bit of actual ground space, but then just some fencing sort of facing the back of the property. There's a storage room there as well. And then you have another door to access that on the other side here off of the dining room. Dining room flows on into galley style kitchen. You have a stackable washer and dryer here on the left side that are included. And then you can see starting here on the right side, beautiful granite countertops, updated cabinets and hardware as well. So you have sort of this extra prep area over here, and then on the other side you have your appliances. So all appliances are black. You have a side-by-side refrigerator, smooth top electric range, and dishwasher there as well. Window over the sink, and you also do have a second outdoor space. It's sort of another patio that faces the front of the property, accessible through the door off the kitchen. Then on the other side here you have a guest bathroom, half bath downstairs. You have a pedestal sink and commode. Nice updated light fixture in there. Home's been updated pretty much all the way throughout, and we'll just give you one last look at the kitchen. So we'll turn around here and head upstairs. Hardwood here on the stairs also. And that laminate hardwood picks back up on the second level. So right off the second story landing, you have a full bathroom. So you have a single vanity there, medicine cabinet, nice oval mirror, updated light fixture, and a built-in shelf there. Shower and tub there as well. And this bathroom not only is accessible from the hall, but also connects to what will be the master bedroom up here. So you have two closets in this room, both good size or a good amount of shelving. Then on back out to the hallway. So in the hallway you also do have, we'll open that up for you, just same thing on both sides there, just a linen closet there in the hall. And then your second bedroom. And both of the bedrooms do have sliding glass doors that sort of overlook the back of the property as well, letting in lots of natural light. And then here you have another closet here again with some nice built-in organizers there as well. So that completes our tour of this home. The address again is 109 Wood Court in Northwest Columbia in the St. Andrews area. You can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com, or you can give us a call at 803-407-8522.